Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and click on Display section. From here, click on this gray sweater next to Adaptive Brightness feature. And as you can see, after that, Auto Brightness is on. You can switch it off by tapping on the same Now Blow On. You can also go into Tab menu instead and click on those three dots on Brightness slider. From here, manage adaptive brightness the same way and save your changes by tapping on Done at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!